Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion swirl. This will be a lot easier if you already know how to do an accordion, so we will pop a link in the description below in case you've missed that. Fill that hole in your repertoire and then come back. So, assuming now everyone's got that, an accordion swirl. If you've done an octopus swirl, this is going to feel quite familiar. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So let's break that down. It starts like a standard accordion, and I've moved back over here because this is going to travel forwards from the man's point of view once you get going. So it goes right to right, offering the left to the lady on the way back. The lady won't be able to reach it yet. As we come in, we collect the hand, so thumb down for the guys, thumb up for the ladies. Guys first finger to lady's thumb gap. We're going to lift the right hand up to the right. Left goes over the lady's head, right goes over the lady's head, guys step back to the left. So standard accordion entrance. We're now going to switch to the other side of the accordion. Sweep. So left hand high, right hand low. Guys over to the right, ladies over to the left from his point of view. What we're going to do, guys, is we're going to walk the lady around, coming past our right hand side and around the back. And as the lady does that, guys, we are going to walk around over to the left, so we orbit each other. Okay? This can be done with the guy stationary. Doesn't feel as nice. So as we walk the lady forwards, guys are heading left. The left hand goes over the guy's head as the lady goes across the back. The right hand goes over the guy's head as the left hand comes down. And as the lady gets out to the front, we're ready to do another turn direction for the ladies. So the right goes over the lady, the left goes over the lady, and the sequence carries on. So guys, we're heading off to the left. Ladies are being walked past the right shoulder. So we go left over the guy, right over the lady, turn the lady and repeat, walking the lady in, left over the guy, right over the guy. And this time, guys, as we do the next turn for the ladies, we let go with the left hand. We do something that feels for the guy a lot like a Wurlitzer prepare, but it's the lady's other hand to usual, so it doesn't feel the same for the lady, but it just feels like a normal return spin where we're going to catch today left to right. It could be whatever you need for your next move. Okay, we'll do the same thing from this side so you get the other view. So let's think about some numbers. We're going to go back and offer 1. We're going to come in and turn 2 and look 3. Switching sides 4 and look 5. How fast you walk is going to change how long it takes you to get round. If the guy doesn't do as much work as the lady, for instance, that will slow the whole thing down. If the guy's stationary, it will take even more time. So we're going to walk the lady past and we're going to try and go round in 1 and 2 and then turning 3. So we get 1 and 2 and turn. 1 and 2, and this turn becomes our prep. So the prep is another count. That would have been 4 in that little sequence. Returning 5 and back 6. Return spin, in fact. So let's try it to a nice slow count. Here we go. 5, a 6, an accordion swirl. We go offer, round, look, changing sides, look, walking 1 and 2 and turn, and 1 and 2 and turn. Last one, 1, 2, turn, prepare, return spin and back. And that is it. Repeat that. Wind it back, repeat it as many times as you need until you have got it absolutely nailed, and we'll see you next time with another clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Thank you to everybody who does that. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.